So a lot of people make predictions on Bitcoin, on cryptocurrencies when the market crashes. They say, look, it's going to go up, it's going to go down. There's a lot of predictions that fly about. And now it has been 1 month since Bitcoin crashed. And you need to think back into terms of how many people's videos you watched and what they said to you, what's going to happen. Oh, we're not in a bull market is what I heard. The prices are going to spike up. This is a buying opportunity. But we'll just look at some charts. It's exactly about a month, just under a month. I think it's like 28 days, 29 days since the crash. And we're going to have a look at a different sort of approach as to why you shouldn't be buying at this stage. And I would buy if there's a 3 month flat line. That's my sort of rule. And if we go to the month chart on Bitcoin and we have a look at, what has happened in that, you can significantly see that Bitcoin is still down 37%. Now, it's still dropping in a sense, yeah, but there is a resistance line on a lot of these coins. Now, Bitcoin Cash was crashing way before, so that's not a good example. But if we look at Litecoin from a month ago is down 60%, nearly 58%. Now, there's a resistance line here. So the resistance line is at £82. And there is a resistance line at the top, or a support line. Sorry, the support line is 82 and the resistance line is 274. So we are way off what altcoins and Litecoin should be for the majority. So do I think Litecoin is going to go up anytime soon? Definitely not. I think it will not drop below 82. That's literally panic selling, crash, recession, that sort of thing. That only happens every now and again. That won't be happening for a while. The last time that happened was, I think, the pandemic, or there was another time where people wanted to buy and it was going up. So there's not going to be anything dropping below 82. So look at these coins, yeah, and you need to know what it actually takes to buy these coins. So Algorand is a big favorite of mine. So if it goes near enough 48 pence, that's when it's the buying opportunity, not at $1 or 87 or 67p. That's not when it's the buying opportunity. Let the market ride out a bit. The buying opportunity is going to be when it hits near 48 cents. I doubt it's going to drop any lower than that. And this just works with every single coin. Play it slowly. I mean, if for example, Uniswap drops below £9, then that's the time to buy. Unless it's going to go to zero, which unlikely. If anything goes to zero, I'll be buying every single coin in the market, and I'm sure a lot of other people will. So Cardano is another one that we can look at. So Cardano will unlikely drop below 74 pence, which is about $1. So if you see Cardano around that way, then yeah, there's no chance it's going to really drop. And because there is no support resistance, this is where the value is, 50, 60, that sort of range. If it's dropping there's something significantly wrong, and that's probably not the last thing you're going to be panicking about your Cardano. Probably be panicking about getting food. I mean, again, here's the sort of resistance again. So that's the low end of the market, 75. And if you are looking, hey, look, what one should I be buying? Take a look at this. I mean, I'm hating to get into that computer. I'm not even going to look at that. But go on. Dogecoin is probably not going to show up as we like, but we can still look at the month. So Dogecoin is 15 cents, it looks like. That's the sort of range that you want to be buying in at, but don't buy Dogecoin. So I hope you enjoyed this video and it's been helpful. If you've got any questions, please let me know. By all means, look at the charts as you go. Don't just look at the daily, look at the monthly. Look at what has happened historically and play it very safe between those big gaps. Don't play it by all. What people tend to do is they go to here and then they say, oh, there's the support line and there's a resistance, but it's not. It's actually a longer scale. You can't do day trading with these sort of volatile assets because you're just wiped out instantly. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you got any questions, please let me know.